Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to transfer money from Bank of America to Binance. This is easy. The first thing we need to do is open our Binance app and then we're gonna click this button right here. Once we have opened this button right here or click this button right here, we're gonna click this option called P2P. Once we open P2P section, we're gonna click this button called payment. Once we click payment, we need to find this or search this option called Bank of America. We're gonna find Bank of America. Right here, you have Bank of America. We're gonna click this and we're gonna click confirm. Then right here, we're gonna type the amount to sell or to buy in USDT. Right here, we're gonna click this amount and then confirm. As you can see, we have two options. We're gonna click this one and then you can see that you will receive this amount if you send this one. It's really easy. You need to click place order and then you need to send this amount to receive this amount right here. I hope this video was helpful. Please comment and subscribe.